Oh!
Kitten?
Dude, it's not
That's a sin. No.
Ma'am. I love you.
Yeehaw.
Ah!
Why are you holding hands?
Oh my.
Okay. No.
Don't do it. Oh no. Oh no. I'm just trying to pet you.
Hello?
Oh,
Hang on.
okay.
High five.
The choice is yours.
Stop, you're scaring me. Oh my god.
Don't all speak at once. Does anybody want a cat?
Oh!
The way he just slipped.
Oh, I bought this one. She's in there again. Nice long body, perfect form, beautiful teeth.
Izzy, are you stuck?
Since before they were eggs.
Princess!
You bloody!
Yes.
Oh!
You're gonna hurt yourself.
What can I get for you?
The Bluetooth device is connected successfully.
It's not that serious.
Cheeseburger.
Gary! the shit out of you!
That's how you stay. Ow!
Hey, come on. Come on.
Whoa! Whoa! Max!
Oh my God! What?
This one is very, very cool.
Who's that?
Would you like to wear this as a hat?
Cats. I love cats. They're the best thing in my life.
Can I get the ha ha?
You know you can't be. you know. Stop. What are you doing? Oh my God. Oh.
ماذا تفعل بالفعل؟
Huh? You're a fat cat. Can I get a fat cat? Wait. What?
You're not gonna react? Oh.
Titingnan mo yung guidelines na nung binabasa ko. Let's say, for example, kung private vehicle.
Come on. Get up here.
Look at this little kitten. Hey. Oh, did she say hi?
Run.
Oh, okay, okay, okay.
You're my honey bun, sugar plum, pumpy uppy umpkin. You're my sweetie pie. You're my cupcake, gumdrop, schnookums, bookums. You're the apple of my.
Mas Fabrício!
All day without you doing something bad.
Look at my son. Pride is not.
You got some right here.
The poop.
I'm hungry.
Breakfast.
Jojo.
Don't do that.
Oh my god, what the fuck are you doing? Wait, no!
Analyzing content. So like what happens is, for example,
Oh my god!